Ripple could grow to be worth trillions if the global financial cross-border payment system, the trillions of dollars used for liquidity, and Ripple's blockchain technology, which will change most or all of the payment market for those who bought it, are taken into account. Early XRP has done well, and now people who support it are bragging about how many records it has broken. If you spent $1,000 on something 5 years ago, it would now be worth $100,000. 5 years ago, it was the perfect time. Today is the next best time, and in today's video, we'll talk about why and how. This video will now go into more detail about XRP to help you make a smart choice. Ripple is one of the most well-known alternative currencies on the market for cryptocurrencies. As the market grows, more and more people will want to buy Ripple. For a short time, the Ripple XRP coin had the second largest market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. Are you thinking about putting money into XRP? In the long run? If you're going to buy Ripple coins and keep them for 10 years, you should know enough about them to make a choice you won't regret. Yes, now is a good time to use XRP to make more money everywhere on Earth. People have put a lot of money into trading digital assets, and Ripple has helped make a lot of people rich. There is a lot of proof that investing in Ripple can make you wealthy. Ripple has come a long way. It is also one of the most important cryptocurrencies. More than 200 financial institutions are still using Ripple's technology, and this trend doesn't seem to be slowing down. In 2021, Ripple is getting more and more popular. It went a whole year without going up in price, which was a big deal. The project has had to deal with many problems. The SEC filed a case against Ripple at the end of 2020 for selling unregistered securities, mostly its XRP token. Because of this, it lost a lot of value, had a quieter 2021 than other popular coins, and was taken off the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. XRP is slowly going up to meet its 2018 high. Even though Bitcoin, Ether, and a few other cryptocurrencies have reached record highs, XRP could have been bought for a little more than a penny. 6 years ago, you could have bought about 173,000 shares for $1,000. At that price, XRP is worth 47 cents right now. Because of that big increase, your original investment of $1,000 is now worth $147,000. This gain of more than 14,000% shows how much money you can make if you choose the right cryptocurrency. But it isn't always easy to know when to buy and when to sell. As you can see from the price history of XRP, experts at MIT University named Ripple Labs one of the 50 smartest companies in 2014. MIT University is one of the most important private research universities in the world. As time went on, banks and other financial institutions started to become interested in using Ripples. 5 years later, in 2019, more than 200 financial institutions used some of Ripple's technology. The strong RippleNet blockchain is used by over 300 providers from 40 countries on 6 continents, including Santander, American Express, and MoneyGram. One of the first people to use Ripple is a company that sends money from the US. Ripple is a popular choice for both new and experienced traders because many analysts and speculators think it will do well in the future. Here are a few simple reasons why you should buy XRP. And the reason why investing $1,000 in Ripple will make you rich compared to its most recent peak in 2018 is that Ripple is cheap. You can get a lot of Ripple for less than a few $100s, and even a small amount of $50 will give you more than 65 coins. Ripple's all-time high was about $3.10 in 2018. Analysts are sure, though, that it will reach $1,000 in the next 10 years. Some of the predictions are much more optimistic than others. Considering how cheap it is and how much it's being bought, Ripple was one of the first, if not the first, cryptocurrency that was widely accepted by banks and other large financial institutions. This means that buying Ripple is a choice with low risk and a chance of a good return on investment. Ripple is more accepted in the business world than other cryptocurrencies. No other major cryptocurrency has been able to use its fiat crypto synergy. Over 100 banks, including important international banks like BBVA, Axis Bank, MUFG, SCB, and so on, have accepted it. The Ripple transaction protocol can be used to send and receive money, information, and virtual currencies. The Ripple's transaction protocol for XRP is known for being able to handle large transfers across many countries at lower fees than centralized financial institutions. Ripple enables open source payments, and XRP is the cryptocurrency that uses the Ripple network. The well-known Ethereum ETH-USD network focuses on decentralized finance, while Ripple and XRP mainly focus on cross-border business payments. Ripple has gained the trust of crypto professionals, and there are important signs that the platform will become even more popular in the future and that the currencies could appreciate significantly. This is a great time to buy Ripple and XRP. A crypto expert called a scientific investor looked at how much money you can make by buying $1,000 worth of XRP. First, you'd pay $1,000 for 4,000 XRP. At the current price of 47 cents, it's not a problem at all. It's easy. If you start with us, we'll point you to this area where the price has stayed for about 728 days in the last cycle, what it was for the previous cycle, and what it is for the current process, which ranges from 28 cents to 47 cents. We have therefore already supported this exact range for 1,890 days if trading XRP right now. Because of this, it is clear that even though we have been consolidating in this area for a while and are not very close to all-time highs, if you look at this from the last cycle's accumulation range, you went about 690 times 69,000%. If you take the average in the direction of the all-time highs and apply it to this cycle, let's say we are somewhere between 28 cents and 33 cents. If we take the lowest 690 and subtract 28 cents to get $193, it is now worth $600,000. When you have this many XRP, for this many units, that's a big amount of money. The market is different now than it was in the last cycle because there are more goods on the market. And it can tell you many things. Do you think that 10% of that or more is too much? There are also rumors that Visa and Western Union may soon look into using the Ripple platform. Many crypto and finance experts say that Ripple could show Swift how to be the safest, most standardized, and most reliable global payment network. This is what the people who started Ripple want to happen. In an interview in 2020, Chris Larson said that many crypto analysts and speculators think Ripple has a bright future, which makes it a good choice for both new and experienced traders. Here are a few quick reasons why XRP is a good investment and why putting $1,000 into it will make you rich. Ripple is cheap compared to its last high point in 2018, when it was worth the most. For less than $1, you can make a lot of Ripples. Most financial decisions come down to weighing risk versus return, or figuring out if the possible benefits are worth the likely costs. To put it another way, there are some ways in which Ripple could be dangerous. Even though the founders have a lot of coins, purists don't like this technology, and it's still a long way from being able to compete with its main market rival. On the other hand, Ripple is becoming more popular and is supported by a number of well-known financial institutions. Also, the current price gives existing investors a great chance to diversify their portfolios without selling off other assets. It also makes it easy for people who are new to cryptocurrencies to get started. Ripple is open to everyone, and investors who are patient can be sure that their money will grow over time. If this is the topic of a debate, what would your points be? Do tell us what you think in the comments below, and if you want to stay up to date, be sure to click the button to sign up.